So this is going to be Project LS kickoff video. So what we got here is we got a LQ4 6-liter. Picked it up from a guy in Edmonton. Looks like it's in pretty good shape, actually pretty clean, as you can see. I got to tear it apart and see what. This is a 2003 engine. So people say that the ones in the 2500 Chevy trucks came with Gen 4 rods. So we're going to see if that's the case when I tear this thing apart. They can take a lot more horsepower. So the plan here is just to leave it stock, gap the rings big, and then turbocharge it. So should be pushing a lot of horsepower. I already ordered the sloppy stage 2 cam, and that's on its way from Jegs. They were having a special, $229 for that, American. Usually it's $273 or something like that, or $277. So I purchased that, so it was a good deal. Anyway, so this is the engine here again that we're going to be using, and I also picked up a 4L85E transmission, and that's this guy here. Good deal on this too. They say the 4L85E can take 685 foot-pounds of torque versus 440 for the 4L80E, so that's pretty good because it has 5 pinion gears instead of 4. So that should work without doing anything, without even putting the HD2 kit in it. And I'll show you right now what car we're going to put this into. Yeah, so here's the car. 1980 Ford Thunderbird. It's basically a Fairmont, so same deal, so pretty much similar to what Matt Happel did. So this is just going to be another project. It's a light car, super light. Just charging the battery so I can move into the garage right now. This one came with a 302 C4, I believe. 130 horsepower or something like that. So pretty low horsepower. This thing's actually in really good shape. No rust as the panels were galvanized. See the interior here? I'm probably going to put a race pack in here, because these digital gauges don't work. And of course subframe connectors and maybe a cage, we'll see how it goes. Some of you guys might remember this the Scooby van, the turbo van. So this was the first project. It's got a blow-through carburetor. Turbonetics unit 6872 Hurricane series. Actually works really good. The videos are all over the internet of it doing burnouts and stuff like that. So again, the plan for the Ford is we're actually going to take it to the strip and actually see how quick it can go. Like I said, on a budget build, just gap the rings, everything stock, and FI Tech injection system with transmission controller. So that's actually a pretty good system because it controls everything. And then we'll go from there and see what happens, and then you guys can follow along on a build. Thanks a lot.